Okay, so in today's video, I've been getting into home decor a lot recently. If you hear noise, it's my son, okay? So don't mind that. But I've been getting into a lot of the home decor recently, and I thought I'd just do like a quick little easy DIY. If you guys are familiar with me on my channel or my Instagram, I'm like really into throwback things, anything vintage, anything throwback. So I wanted to recreate like an old vintage like painting. So, and we're gonna be using Dollar Tree items. So this is super easy, $2 DIY. You're just gonna need a picture frame, and I chose like this gold one because again, it reminds me like vintage. They have black ones. You really can use any color and spray paint it if you want it gold. And then I just got this lighter also from Dollar Tree. And the picture I'm gonna be using, because you guys know I'm an Aaliyah fan. I found, and it's already vintage looking. You see the edges, but I found this old Aaliyah Vibe magazine cover I had in my closet because I have like a whole box of everything of her that I saved. So we're gonna be using this. So the first thing I'm gonna do, you're gonna need some scissors. Well, I'm gonna need some scissors. You don't. I'm gonna cut off like all the excess tape because I had it like taped to something. So let me do that, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to burn the edges so it gives it that old vintage look. So if you're below 18, get some parental help. But I love this picture so much, I don't even want to burn it. And it has tape on it, so I don't know how that's gonna come out. But let's just go ahead and do it. So what I do, I just start around the edges and do a little bit at a time, okay? Just work your way all the way around till it's how you like it. Cause it be flaming quick, y'all. So like I said, so this is how it's looking so far. And I don't even want it to touch her, y'all. I don't even really want it to touch the writing, but whatevs, okay? So let's do it. So again, you're just doing a little bit at a time, working in small portions because it'll start heating up quick. See that? Like it just caught on fire super quick. It's already like, so as you can see, it'll have that kind of look, like that aged, eaten up look. So I'm gonna go around the whole perimeter and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so that's what I have so far. It has that old like scroll vintage look. And also I want to mention, when you like blowing out the fire, make sure you blowing off the top and the bottom, because I would blow it off on top and then I'd look underneath and it was still like flaming. So make sure like when you blowing the edges as you go, you blowing the top of the paper and the bottom, and we don't want to burn your hands, you know. So yeah, so that's how the edges look right there. And I kind of like ate out some. I should have left her name and burnt out that side, but it's too late. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna get like a lot of the ashes. So let's go ahead and put in the frame. And the frame size I got was the 8x10. So we're just gonna open this up. And then what we're gonna do is, once we open it up, we're gonna leave this paper inside, but we're gonna flip it around so that we want the white side of this picture. So on the back, you could just lift up these tabs to take the back off. Okay. So it's gonna have the glass and then the piece of paper. So what you wanna do is,
Mommy, I found my flashlight.
you're gonna lay your picture face down on the glass. Hopefully this fits. This might be a little bigger than 8x10. And then we're gonna take that picture and we're gonna put the white side face down on the back of the picture. And then,
Mommy, I found my flashlight.
and we're gonna put the glass back in the frame. Okay, so my picture was a little bit bigger than an 8x10. But as you can see, that's how it look. You're gonna have some of the ashes, but that's okay. You know, it's supposed to look old. And I could have came in a little bit more on the corners, but you can kind of see where it's like burnt at. But yeah, tweak this to how you like it. This is super easy to do. And look how cute that is, y'all. That's gonna be, you know, I might put this in my hallway or when you like come in. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this back part off because I'm gonna use it to hang on the wall. Or you can set this on your dresser and it pops right off. You can just pull it off. So now the back is looking like that. And then this hook that you see on the back, we're gonna hang this on the nail that I'm gonna nail into the wall. So yeah, this is a quick little DIY. And I suggest using like magazine covers, which again, this was the Vibe magazine cover, because the covers are a lot thicker versus using like the inside pages of a magazine because they're super flimsy. I mean, you could use them, but I think they burn a lot quicker and the quality is not that great. So yeah, I suggest using your favorite magazine cover or like a photograph, you know, like the old camera roll pictures. You know how thick picture paper is. You can use an old photo and burn the edges, you know, just get creative. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this tutorial is super easy, cost me $2 to make, and it's about to have my house looking bomb. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.